This Explain It is going to further our study on gas stoichiometry, and we're going to look at converting between moles and liters. That great guy Avogadro, okay, according to Avogadro's law, 1 mole of any gas occupies the same volume as 1 mole of any other gas. And at STP, we have learned that 1 mole of a gas occupies 22.4 liters. We call this the molar volume of a gas. And so this allows us to have some relationships here. Whereas we know 1 mole equals 22.4 liters, we now can set up some fractions that we will be able to use in our converting. We would either have 1 mole over 22.4 liters, or we would have it the other way, that 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole. Now let me remind you that this is only at STP. That's the key thing here, STP. I'm going to do the sample problem on page 381. And basically what we're going to do is we are going to convert from moles to liters, or take our given of liters and change it to moles. All right, so let's look at sample problem on page 381. It says, what volume does 0.0685 moles of gas occupy at STP? All right, so we write down the given. The given is 0.0685, and it is given in moles. And they want you to change this quantity to liters. And the point is, it's at STP. STP. This is the important part. It has to be at STP, or you cannot use the molar volume of a gas. All right, if moles is on top, moles has to go on the bottom. And we need liters on top. We know the relationship at STP is 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. And so we go ahead and multiply those two numbers, and you get the answer that they gave you there, 1.53. So that was sample problem on page 381, letter A. Letter B is going to ask you to take 2.21 liters, 2.21 liters, that's a 1, and change that into moles. All right, so we're going the other direction. We are given liters, and we have to change it to moles. Liters on top, we put liters on the bottom. What we want goes on top. And we apply the molar volume of a gas at STP, where 1 mole is equal to 22.4. So now this becomes a division problem. And so when we divide, we get an answer like 0.0987. All right, so this was just an example of going from moles to liters or liters to mole, but the key word was at STP. Okay, I would like you to do the practice problems number 1 and number 2 on page 381. Here are the answers, so you should pause this video and you should show the work. Remember, these are at STP, so you can use the molar volume of a gas as being 22.4 liters per mole. All right, now we're ready to put all these pieces together. And so the next video is going to be about putting it all together and doing gas stoichiometry, going moles to liters, liters to moles, maybe liters to liters, or grams to liters. So we're going to throw in some grams in there in the next example.